Hi children, welcome to the class. Today in this class we will learn the quality of mercy. So before going on to the chapter, I will read a passage for you. Once to the court of a king came two women with a baby seeking justice. Each of them claimed that she was the real mother and so she alone had the right to own and look after it. The minister stood up and addressed the woman, "Thus, both of you say the child is yours. So, this court orders the baby to be split into two, and each woman will have a half of the baby." The first woman readily agreed, but the second woman said, "I don't want to go by your suggestion. You may give the baby to that woman." He ordered the baby be handed over to the second woman and the first woman be punished. Dear children, from this passage we understood a real mother would never think of bringing any harm to her baby. So, now we will move on to the question answer session of this passage. Question number 1. What did each woman claim? Answer. Each woman claimed that the baby was theirs. Question number 2. What did the minister suggest? Answer. The minister suggested to split the baby into two and give each woman one half of the baby. Question number 3. Why do you think that the second woman offered the baby to the first woman after she heard the minister? Answer. The second woman, being the real mother of the baby, wanted to save the baby's life even though it meant that she would have to give the baby to the other woman. Question number 4. How did the minister come to the correct conclusion? What was the reason for his judgment? Answer. The minister realized the selfless love of the real mother. The real mother would never think of bringing any harm to her baby. So children, we move on to the chapter The Swan and the Princess, where we can see such quality of mercy. In this story, the characters are Sudodana, the king of Kapilavastu; Siddhartha, the prince of Kapilavastu; Devadatt, Siddhartha's cousin; the chief minister and 4 other ministers of the king, and the guard. So once King Sudodana is sitting on his throne. His ministers are sitting around him. The chief minister is saying something to him. Just then, the guard enters and bows to the king. Guard said, "Long live the king. Sir, Prince Devadatt wants to come in." The king said, "Bring him in." The guard bows and goes out. The chief minister said, "I wonder why Prince Devadatt wants to see the king at this time." So the second minister said, "Perhaps he wants to complain against someone." At that time, the guard enters with Devadatt. Both of them bow to the king. The king said, "What is it, Devadatt? Why have you come to see me at this time?" Devadatt said, "Sir, the prince will not give me my swan. I want justice from you." So the king said, smiling, "Be calm, Devadatt. Has Siddhartha taken your swan from you?" Devadatt said, "Yes, sir, he has. I shot it and it fell on the ground near the prince. He picked it up and said he would not give it to me." So the king said, "That's very naughty of Siddhartha." And he said to the guard, "Go and call him." The guard bows and goes out. Then the third minister said softly to the fourth minister, "The prince is a good lad. He cannot do anything that's wrong." The fourth minister said, "I agree with you." Then the guard enters with Prince Siddhartha, who has a white swan in his arms. Siddhartha bows to the king. So, dear children, that's all for today's class. We will continue the rest of the story in the next class. So, till then, take care. Thank you.